watching the award-winning GHS-TV, a nationally recognized student television station.
Hello, I'm Dr. Stencil, and I'm the proud principal of Germantown High School. I'd like to welcome you to the 23-24 school year, and I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce my staff.
Hello, I'm Blake Waddell, the Vice Principal of Germantown High School. This year marks my 20th at Germantown, and I anticipate this year being the best yet. I want to encourage you to actively involve yourself in all the opportunities our campus offers, as it takes all of us to make Germantown the special place it is. Please reach out to me if I can be of assistance, and go Red Devils.
Hello, GHS family. I'm Dr. Gore, and I handle the attendance office. It's my job to ensure that every student receives full access to high-quality instruction, and that means that we need our students to be where they need to be, when they need to be there, engaged with the lesson. Students who are tardy are missing out on opportunities and practice, and they could fall behind their peers since practice makes perfect. I will follow up with students who arrive tardy. You can help me maximize access to class time by ensuring you have the fastest route to class. Germantown is a very large campus, so if you find yourself struggling to go from one class to another, please reach out to me. Or you could talk to another admin or your teacher. You'd be amazed how many back routes and shortcuts there are here at GHS. If you find yourself struggling, I can probably find you a faster way so you won't miss out on any class time. The other common issue regarding tardies is first period arrival. Please keep in mind that instruction begins at 7:15 and students who arrive after that are missing out. If you or a friend is a car rider or you drive, be forewarned that traffic is bad. We're one of the oldest schools in Memphis, and no one 100 years ago thought we would have this many kids coming all at once. As a result, if you're arriving at 7, it is unlikely you'll get through traffic in time. Please aim to arrive before 7, and again, if you're struggling, reach out before there's an issue. If I can talk to you and get specifics of your situation and your route of arrival, I can often suggest ways to help you avoid some of that thicker traffic area. When it comes to checking your child in or out, the attendance office is located on the northeast side of campus, and there's a flagpole in front of our building. Any student arriving after 7:25 needs to check in upon arrival. If you need to check your child out, you will come to our C office as well. Checkout ends at 1:30 each day in order to allow us to prepare for the school-wide dismissal. Finally, while we desire that every student be in class every day, we're also realistic enough to know that people do get ill or things like that come up. When students are absent, we ask that they return to school with a note that same day, or you can email the note to us. By policy, notes are due within 2 days of return, and that helps us ensure that we're excusing that which needs to be excused and not have anything count against you. This is especially important getting those notes in, because without a note, we cannot excuse any absences, and then that absence would count against the student and you. If you have any questions or you need to get any more information on what are excused absences, don't hesitate to let me know. If you need help getting around campus, don't hesitate to let me know.
My name is Assistant Principal Damian Longino. I am the discipline coordinator here, as well as I'll be dealing with 9th and 10th grade instructional practices. I'm over athletics, and I am in charge of all the transportation here at Germantown High School. Welcome back for a great school year.
Greetings, welcome back, and cheers to an amazing school year ahead of us. My name is Mrs. Cunningham, and I will be the 9th grade counselor here at Germantown High School. You can reach me by email or phone, and that information will be provided below. Enjoy your visit, and I look forward to working with you and your students. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Rose Clemenson, the 10th grade guidance counselor. I look forward to meeting you and getting to know you this year. I believe it will be a great year. Please reach out to me for any assistance.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Germantown High School and a new school year. My name is Ms. Lee, and I am the 11th grade counselor. My contact information is listed below, and the quickest way to reach me is through email. Enjoy your visit tonight, and I look forward to working with you and your junior students. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Fran Odom, and I'm the school counselor for the senior class. I am so excited to start this school year and work with each of you. This is my 16th year at Germantown and my 13th group of seniors. I handle all things 12th grade, with the end goal being graduation in May. Please feel free to email me at any time.
Hello and welcome back, Red Devil family. I'm Dr. Wendy Willingham, and I'm excited to be in my 10th year at GHS in a new role as the College and Career Counselor. I look forward to working with you this year to help you plan for life after high school.
Greetings and welcome to Germantown High School. My name is Kim Tucker and I'm the coordinator for the International Baccalaureate Program, our advanced academic optional school program at GHS. If you are interested in learning more about IB or have questions about the program, please contact me using the information below. Thank you, and we are looking forward to a great year at Germantown.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Camille Collins, and I'm the faculty sponsor for the Germantown High School Student Government Association. I would like to encourage everyone to join SGA After School on Wednesdays to help decorate hallways for football games, plan senior activities, organize spirit weeks, and lead our school with positivity and excitement. Be proud to be one of the last of the Red Devils.